Can you really turn $7 into $87,000 through trading? You've probably seen the headlines. I turned $10 into thousands. One trade changed my life. Small account, 2 millionaire? But here's the truth. To turn $7 into $87,000, you need over 12,000 times growth. That's not normal. That's not average. That's extremely rare. In traditional markets, average yearly returns are around 8 to 12%. Even in crypto, massive gains are rare and highly risky. So how does it happen? There are only 3 real possibilities. First, high leverage trading. Leverage allows you to control large positions with small capital. With 100x leverage, $7 becomes control over $700. If the market moves strongly in your favor, your account can grow very fast. But if it moves just 1% against you, your account can be liquidated instantly. Most beginners lose money using leverage. It's closer to gambling than professional trading. Second, meme coins or early crypto projects. Some traders bought coins early before they exploded. Turning $10 into thousands is possible if you catch the right coin. But here's the reality. Most new coins fail. Many go to zero. Some are scams. This method depends more on luck than skill. Third, the professional approach. Professional traders focus on risk management. They risk only 1 to 2% per trade. They control emotions. They focus on consistency, not hype. Instead of chasing 1/returns, they aim for steady monthly growth. Even 5% per month, compounded over time, can build serious wealth. Compounding is powerful. When you reinvest profits, your money starts working for you. But turning $7 into $87,000 through compounding alone would take years, maybe decades, or additional capital along the way. There is no magic shortcut. If someone promises guaranteed profits, be careful. There is no zero-risk strategy. There is no secret formula. The market rewards discipline, not desperation. So can $7 become $87,000? Yes, but only through extreme risk, extreme luck, or extreme patience and discipline. Real traders focus on learning, on protecting capital, on growing steadily. Because true trading success is built slowly, not instantly.